Dutch quilts are more than just blankets. They're pieces of history, art, and cultural expression all stitched together. These timeless textiles have captivated quilters for centuries with their distinctive patterns and meticulous details. Today, we're exploring free Dutch quilt patterns that will inspire both novice and intermediate quilters to create their own masterpieces. First up is the Windmills Dutch Quilt from Riley Blake Designs. This beginner-friendly pattern creates a stunning 52.5 by 66.5 inch quilt using 8 by 8 inch blocks. Featuring the Dutch Treat fabric collection, it's perfect for housewarmings, anniversaries, or adding a cozy touch to any living space. Next, we have the Charm Dutch 9-Patch Quilt by Cindy Carter. This versatile pattern allows you to use charm packs, fat quarters, fat eighths, or even larger scraps to create a unique masterpiece. Available in 3 sizes, baby, twin, and queen, it's a great way to add a splash of creativity to any room. Ready for a challenge? The Dutch Braid Quilt by Elise Lee for Robert Kaufman. Fabrics offers an opportunity to elevate your quilting skills. This intricate design, measuring 60 by 74 inches, will add sophistication to any living room. The Dutch Treat Quilt Block by Maureen Cracknell provides a unique blend of traditional and modern designs. This 12-inch square block pattern is incredibly versatile, allowing you to create anything from bed quilts to picnic blankets. For a whimsical touch, try the Going Dutch Quilt by Amanda of Piece Just So. This 70 by 78 inch quilt features charming spinning windmill blocks and is suitable for quilters of all skill levels. Finally, we have the Dutch Rose Quilt Block by McCall's Quilting. This intermediate level pattern results in a 12 by 12 inch block with clear instructions and photos to guide you through the intricate design. Whether you're looking to create a cozy throw, a statement piece for your living room, or a thoughtful gift, these timeless designs provide endless possibilities. Why not start your Dutch quilting journey today and let your creativity soar? For even more inspiration and patterns, be sure to visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a curated collection of Dutch quilt designs.